Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be taking another trip down Bayou Barataria. We began on Louisiana Highway 45 and turned west onto LA 302. LA 302 is just a quarter-mile long, and its sole purpose is to connect the town of Jean Lafitte with the unincorporated community of Barataria on the west side of the bayou. A Warren Pony Truss swing bridge takes us across Bayou Barataria with a speed limit of 25 miles per hour or 10 miles per hour for trucks. This bridge is the only road link between the unincorporated community of Barataria and the rest of the continent. In 2011, a tugboat pushing two barges loaded with limestone collided with the bridge, damaging the bridge's pivot foundation and truss. The bridge was closed to vehicular traffic for 10 days, leaving Barataria residents cut off. A pedestrian-only ferry service, along with bus service, was offered during the closure for people whose vehicles were stranded on the west side of the bridge. We're now on Louisiana Highway 3257, which runs the length of Barataria. Barataria is a census-designated place which had a population of 1,109 as of the 2010 census. LA 3257 carries a local name of Privateer Boulevard.
You call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. That what I really wanted was some money or something to fill my bank account. But now I know that all I really wanted was to be yours, 'cause you're the one who turned my life around. You're the one who turned my life around. You're the one who turned my life around. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just up and stairs. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're saying for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. For our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. I'll be your captain. I'll always be your captain. Ooh. I'll always be your captain.
Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos.
And for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. For our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. Be your captain. I'll always be your captain.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord. And I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The
We conclude today's video here where LA 3257 comes to an end. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.